Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's for the Screama Kali Arnis time. Now I'm going to share with you on how to do the Arnis basic strikes, basic attacks, okay? Strikes and thrust. 12 basic strikes, combination with thrust. Plus of course with foot movement, okay? Foot movement. Let's do this. Alright? Of course, the first thing is your stance. The fighting stance is like this for a southpaw stance. Southpaw means your right foot is your lead foot. The right foot is your lead foot. That's southpaw stance, okay? Even though you are a right-handed like me, I'm a right-handed. My right hand is my dominant hand. But my fighting stance, on a real fight, on a real stick fighting, tournaments, real fight, my fighting stance is this, a southpaw stance. So, other people call this forward stance, but this is a fighting stance. So, 12 basic strikes from head to foot, okay? Ready? Fighting stance. Begin. 1 to the head. 2 to the head. Temple, okay? Then 3 and 4 shoulder. 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 Then to the abdomen. 5 and 6. Abdomen. 7 and 8 to the knees. Knee. Knee. 9 and 10 to the chest. 9 and 10, chest. 11 and 12 to the crown. Okay? Top of the head. Okay? Top of the head. We'll do it again. So, fighting stance. But some martial artists or some escrimador, they open this like this. It's good. It's still good, right? So, 1, 2, 3, shoulder. 4, shoulder. Thrust to the abdomen. 5, 6, thrust to the abdomen. 7, strike to the knee. 8, strike to the knee. 9, thrust to the chest. 10, thrust to the chest. 11, top of the head, crown. 12, top of the head, crown. Right? That's the 12 basic strikes or thrust. Okay? The 12 basic attack. 12 target points. Okay? Let's do one more time. Right? From this position, fighting stance. Fighting stance, okay? You can do this or you can open like this. Okay? So let's say you will open like this. Open. Ay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh yeah! It's number 12. And then natural stance. Salute. There you have it. The 12 basic strikes. 12 target points. Right? For the Screama Kali Arnis. Let's do one more time. One more time. For the basic strikes. Okay. One more time. Alright. Salute. You can open this like that, or simply you can open fighting stance. Okay. Advance. This advance opening. Ready to fight, no? See that? Advance attack to your opponent. Right. So from here, let's do the opening like this, and begin the 12 target points, 12 basic attacks. Strike. 1. Open. 2. Open. 3. Open. 4. Open. 5. Open. 6. Open. 7. Open. 8. Open. 9. Open. 10. Open. 11. Open. 12. Aye! And back to natural stance. Salute. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The fellow Eskrima kali Arnis enthusiast. The basic Eskrima kali Arnis. Waya! Strikes, okay? Don't forget that. Oh! Hey! Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Fitness Fanatic, for more Eskrima kali Arnis. Video. See you.